Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Mobile Mechanics. How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? I have a question. How much you guys charge for a diagnostic for like looking at the car? But I just had I had one problem with my car. It's like I have a 2010 Toyota Avalon. When I'm driving and I've been in potholes, I'm hearing some clucking, not clucking, like a thud noise coming from the front left side. And I'm really thinking it could be the strut mount, because my struts is good. I bounced my car. It doesn't bounce twice, only bounce once. And I'm going to get and I just got replaced my tie rods and my sway bar links and my ball joints. So I'm still trying to have somebody to tell me like what's going on with my car specifically.
Let me ask you this: when you got all those parts replaced, did you get a front end alignment done on it?
Yeah, all the alignment. Yeah.
You did an alignment.
Yeah, I got me alignment.
Okay, and so when they did the alignment, they didn't tell you that your strut mount was busted?
I told them everything looks underneath. They said everything was good.
Okay, because normally if there's any problems with the suspension, usually most reputable alignment shops, will tell you, oh, you got to get all this stuff fixed before we can do the alignment, because it won't fit alignment. But if you're hearing a clunking sound and you're absolutely sure that your strut is not busted, then you're probably right. You probably have the strut mount might be that defective.
It could have worn a little bit more faster, because I do have different 4 sets of tires, so I think that could be wearing down my suspension parts more often, which is I'm going to get my tires replaced soon. So
yeah, but tire sizes do matter, but I've never seen them destroy the whole entire suspension system, though. Usually that comes from but at any rate, if you want to, so you want to get a quote for us to do what? You want us to do to figure out what that clunking sound is?
Yeah, to figure what the clunking noise is.
Carhelpout.com. It's
and
the
you only
convenience.
hear when you hear the bump.
Yeah, the bump, road bumps, or I get to a curve, like I'm going to McDonald's. I got to hit this turn. I hit the curb to get to McDonald's. I just hear the sound.
Okay, so you did hit a curb. So you did have an impact.
Not an impact. I didn't hit a curb. It was like a ramp. You know how you get a ramp so you can get on top, and it'd be the buildings where McDonald's. It's just a ramp. When I hit the ramp to go up.
You can hear that sound.
Yeah, hear that sound.
And you recently had the ball joints replaced?
Yeah, recently.
Okay, and you did those yourself, or did you have a shop do it?
I had somebody. I have a friend do it and did it for me.
Okay, I got you. Okay. I was trying to save you some money. And the alignment, I know you had to go to a shop to get it done, right?
Yeah, right.
And the shop said that, when they did the alignment, they inspected everything. They said your ball joints were good and all that stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you might be able to save some money. Did you recently have that alignment done? What I'm trying to get at is that the people you pay to do your alignment might look at it for you for free, and that way you don't have to pay us. Okay, so you just had your front end aligned, right? You had the front end alignment done?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm saying is that for good customer service, you might be able to take your car back to the place who did your alignment and just say, hey, man, ever since I've had my alignment done, I keep hearing this clunking sound. Can you guys check it out for me? And they may do it for free.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay. I want your money, but I try to treat everybody right. But you already paid somebody to do your alignment. I know most of the time those guys will look at that stuff, especially since they already charge you to do the alignment. They might look at it for free.
Right, yeah, because I did took it to them a couple of times. because I did got my ball joints and all that replaced, and it had a feel. I have a different feel to it. So I did tug them to them a couple of times. They said, and they did have me. They test drive my car. They're really not hearing. They didn't hear much of it. I think it was good. I just think now I'm hearing it more often now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which means that if those ball joints are not seated properly, they may have been seated well enough to where they didn't notice it when they did the alignment, but by you driving on it, if the ball joints were not seated properly, they could have come loose now, and now they will probably be able to see it, especially if you're hearing the sound more often now than you was at first.
Carhelpout.com.
Right.
It's the convenience.
Okay, so I can really take it to alignment.
Yeah. I mean, because you got to remember now, alignment shops, they don't charge very much for the alignment. They make their money off of fixing ball joints, tie-in rods, control arms, sway bar links, and things of that nature. And the sway bar link could be popping as well. So, but I just know that all that stuff has to be perfectly tight and right in order to give you a perfect alignment. And if you go back now, after hearing this clunking sound, I'm pretty sure I bet your car is not in perfect alignment again. And so
Okay.
if it was me and I paid somebody to do an alignment, I would go back and be like, hey man, I don't know, man. And then like if you let the steering wheel go, does the car keep going straight or does it pull to a different side, left or right?
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
It definitely do pull up the size just a little bit.
Okay, so that means your alignment is off. So go back to them. You already paid them for this, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Go back to them and tell them, hey, man, the car's pulling to the whatever side. You need to know which side it's pulling to. So on your way there, let the steering wheel go. Don't hit nothing, but, see which side it's pulling to. And, hey, man, it's pulling to the left, man. Can y'all check the alignment, man? Because something ain't right. And I'm hearing this clunking sound even more now.
Carhelpout.com.
Yeah,
it's the convenience.
My friend did say that like my inner tie rods would need to be replaced. I got the outer tie rods replaced. I just need to get the inner tie rods. And I'm really thinking it could be the inner tie rods because he said my inner tie rods are worn.
If they're worn, then they definitely will make a clunking sound. So, and it'll keep your car out of alignment. Which I can't believe that those people did the alignment and not tell you, hey man, you got to bust the inner tie-in rod. So most times those shops will be like, we can't do your alignment until you get this fixed because as soon as we do your alignment, as soon as you hit the first bump, it's gonna go right back out of alignment.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So it's most likely could be the inner tie rods.
Whatever suspension component on your car that's not repaired, that's probably what's causing it. But again, say you're disappointed, man. Take it back to them. If they won't look at it, and you ain't satisfied with them, then call back. I'll be glad to come out and look at it for you. But I mean, I'm pretty sure their diagnostic is cheaper than ours.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
I appreciate it.
That's no problem, man. And like I said, hopefully we save you some money and you get your car fixed. Now, if you take it to them and they say you got to have the inner and outer tie-in rods and all this stuff done, I mean, I'm pretty sure we'll probably be cheaper on those repairs than they would be. But you need to get those suspension repair parts, those suspension parts replaced, and then get the alignment, and then you shouldn't hear any clunking at all.
Okay. All right. I appreciate you.
Okay. No problem.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.